come and learn this little bridesmaid updo with us. So for this one, I would say it's definitely one for more older girls. This one is more of a slick hairstyle. So if you have a daughter or an older bridesmaid that just doesn't really like hair around their face and they like it more slick, then this is a great hairstyle to have. So for Poppy's hair, we applied hairstyling cream. And we also put the tiniest bit of hair gel in this, but only very small, before we popped it in a ponytail. We used the soft brush to smooth the hair. Don't put too much hair gel in this if you do use it, because we're not going for ballroom. We're going for a wedding kind of hairstyle, so we don't want it caked in the product. So we're going to take a hair elastic, and then you're going to take a little curvy grip and you're going to pop it together. Take that little ponytail and divide it into two, and then all you do is you pop the curvy grip down into the hair, and then you're just going to put another curvy grip on the other side of that hair elastic, and then just take the hair elastic down. So hold the ponytail and the hair elastic in the same sort of hand, and it helps, and then pop that under and go the opposite direction of the first curvy grip. And then it just holds the ponytail really securely, and it will take the hair to the side. You want the hair to the side with this, and you want it sort of anchored down for the next step. So for the next step, we just take a little donut ring, unravel it, and then we're just going to fold it up. This donut ring is quite a small one. You don't want it huge. And then we're just going to take some curved pins, and you're just going to push them in to secure that little sponge there. And where you've got all this hair underneath it, it just acts like a bit of an anchor and just helps you to pin things in place rather than too many pins on the scalp. You know, with kids, they don't want it all over the scalp. So with this, we're going to be putting a lot of the pins into the sponge rather than too much into the hair. So we're going to twist one piece of hair at a time. And when I say twist it, you want it really twisted. So when it bunches up a bit like this, that's the perfect amount what you want. So we're going to start to cover this sponge in these little twisted hair. So when you're twisting the hair, you can put in the pin, and then you may have to twist the end of it after that bit of the pin. So it may not twist all in one, especially if you have a child with really long hair like mine. And you do need quite a lot of hair to do this. So if your child has shorter hair or mid-length hair, it's probably best to just put in like a hair extension kind of ponytail with it. So, you know, it doesn't have to be expensive. But yeah, just an extension ponytail if they don't have much hair, if you want to do this, because it does look really nice. And it is, like I say, it's a nice one for older girls. Pop the hair around. So to start with, when you're twisting the hair and putting it around, you're more wanting to cover the sponge evenly. Don't worry about any little gaps, the pins showing. Just try to put the hair so it goes evenly across the sponge first, because that way we can neaten it up at the end. Where you have the tail end of the hair and it might get a bit thinner like I did here, you can join it up with the hair and then just twist it in and put it in that way. But for the tail ends, if there's little tail ends, try to keep them on the outside. You see how there's a piece of hair just hanging there. Keep them on the outside, because we can neaten that up at the end as well. But it's easier if it's outside than in the middle of the hair, obviously. And then, yeah, just keep putting the hair into place. Sometimes it feels like there won't be enough hair to cover it, but there will if you just spread it out. Keep spreading it out. So when you get to the end, tuck in any of those little tails. So go under all your little twists and it will disguise it. You need to sort of mesh it around at the end as well to make sure you're covering the white spongy bit. So just place the hair where you want it. And then when it comes to popping the pins in, see there, I couldn't even get that pin in. You have to play around with it. With the pins, try to put them sort of to the side of the twists and then put them in so they don't show. And then just brush the hair away from the face if there's any flyaways, because it can get a bit of flyaways when you're playing with the hair a lot. Give it an extra spray and use the tail end of the comb to sort of take those flyaways towards the bun and hide them. Pop in a couple little accessories. These are really cute for this. And then there is a very cute, very slick wedding hairstyle. Also quite soft. Very sweet for older girls or even older adult bridesmaids. This is really, really nice with the accessories. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe for more if you can. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.